Okay, so I've been cooking on this Blackstone almost every day lately, so I figured I'd throw some videos up here just of kind of what I'm doing on the Blackstone and how I maintain it. So this video is just all about how I clean my Blackstone after a cook. You'll notice I like to clean my Blackstone right away after a cook while the stone is still hot. I actually still have my igniters on low to make sure it's nice and hot. That's going to help me clean it easier. They sell these scrapers for Blackstone, and they also have these with the extended handle. I personally like the extended handle. It keeps my hand further away from the heat and just allows me to scrape my Blackstone off with adding a little extra leverage, I guess. So the first thing I'm going to do is simply scrape off my Blackstone and try to get as much of these little food pieces and grease as I can off of the stone while it's still hot. I love how everything can just be pushed back into this grease trap. It makes cleanup so easy, and it's one of the reasons why I love cooking on my Blackstone. It eliminates so many dishes from the kitchen cleanup after a meal. Second step is I am just going to pour straight water onto the stone, and that helps burn off some of the tricky spots or some of the more stubborn spots on the Blackstone after the cook. So I just have one of these spray bottles filled with water on the stone, scrape it again, and again, just trying to remove everything and get it as clean as possible using nothing but a scraper and water so far. Okay, I'm going to turn my Blackstone off now, turn the heat off. It's still obviously hot, but I've turned the flames off. And since this is just a normal day, all I'm doing is putting down oil. So a little oil on the grill goes a long way. I'm using a paper towel with my tongs and just spreading that oil around. I would say every 5th to 7th cook on this, I'll put down some sort of Blackstone cast iron seasoning, but on a day-to-day basis, I just hit it with the oil. Okay, I'm closing my Blackstone and reaching around for that grease trap, and I have it lined with this aluminum liner, which makes it so nice. Clean up a little bit here. Just throw this paper towel in the aluminum liner that helps soak up some of that grease. The aluminum liner comes out, and that gets folded up, and it goes in my grocery bag and thrown away, and my cleanup is done. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Always appreciate people subscribing to my channel. More Blackstone videos to come in the future.